I'm sure there is a tool on the market that you can buy and you can remove very easy the pipe. But if you don't have the tool, here is what you can do. Okay, this is 17 socket, and you can grind. Here you can see you can grind this side over here, and you can use this tool. You can grab basically the socket with this tool and you can remove the pipe. In some vehicles this pipe is bended all the way up to the trunk floor. You may have to bend it down to make sure the socket will go through this 90-degree